Hello everyone and welcome to our new video where today we will check out the top 5 best air fryers. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I've tried to list them based on their price, functionality, durability and many more things. You can find links to all these air fryers down in the description below. Okay, so let's start with the list. At number 5 we have the Avalon Bay AB Air Fryer 100. The Avalon Bay Air Fryer is a great fryer which will let you fry, bake, grill or roast your food for you and your family easily. This air fryer uses a combination of high-speed circulation which makes the hot air rapidly circulate within the air fryer. It has a lot of useful features such as adjustable temperature control, automatic shut-off and more. It can be bought in 3 colors, black, white and red. It's pretty easy to clean and some parts of this fryer are dishwasher safe, so this makes it a great air fryer for people that are lazy and don't like to waste too much time cleaning it or whatever. Next up at number 4 we have the Philips HD 922026. In this video we are going to list a few Philips air fryers because simply they are amazing. With this Philips air fryer you can fry your favorite foods with a tablespoon of oil or less. This air fryer has the pet in the starfish design on its basket, and that means that your food will be cooked evenly for a great taste. It can do a lot of things. It grills, roasts, steams and also bakes, so if you are someone that is lazy and doesn't really like to cook, then this air fryer will be a great choice for you. Philips products are generally very durable too, so that's a big plus for this product too. At number 3 we have the t-fal FZ7002 ActiFry. t-fal is not a very famous company, but almost every product they release is amazing, including this air fryer. It has a unique steering pedal and pulse heat system which cooks food to perfection. This fryer features the pulse heat system which will make sure that the oil is distributed evenly on every piece of food, so the food will taste amazing in the end. It's very easy to use, and all you have to do is load all the food into the pan, put a bit of oil into it and then close the clear lid and let it do the rest. It's basically a good choice for people that live alone and don't know how to cook, so this one will be very helpful for these people. At number 2 we have the Philips Digital Air Fryer. I mentioned earlier that we are going to list a few Philips air fryers on this list, and this is the second one. This air fryer has 1425 watts of power and can make delicious food. You can adjust the temperature of this air fryer as you wish, so if you like your food cooked in lower temperature you can do it easily with this fryer. It has everything you would need in an air fryer, however it might be a bit small if you have a family of more than 4 people, because it has a small cooking capacity, so if you want to cook for multiple people you will need to do it a few times, or you can just buy the next product which we will see in this video because it has a larger capacity. At number 1 we have the Philips XL Air Fryer. To finish off our list, we have the Philips XL Air Fryer because it has everything you need in an air fryer. This is an air fryer which has 1800 watts of power and 2.65 pound cooking capacity, plus a digital interface. What I like the most about the Philips XL Air Fryer is that the preset cooking function. This is a very helpful feature which will make your life much easier, especially if you like to eat the same foods often. It's a pretty large air fryer, so if you have a family of 4 people, this will be the perfect choice for you because it will make the cooking process much faster. Overall, it's an amazing fryer which is not that expensive, has a lot of features to offer, and yeah. Thanks for watching guys, I hope you liked the video. If this video helped you, please subscribe and like the video, it would mean a lot to me. I've listed all these products down in the description below, so you can go check them out if you like, and thank you again for watching. Take care.